Merry Christmas in July. It's the last day, and this video is going to show you what we did get done in the journal and the embellishments. You can watch the embellishment and journal playlist Christmas in July series 2019. It is in the description box down below. Stay tuned. This journal, as you see it in this video, and all the embellishments plus this little extra pack of goodies are all available in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with the journal as it is today, the last day of July, and this is what we got done. The journal has been, we have several pages, 3 signatures, 5-hole pamphlet stitch, and it is bound. It is we used a Leisure Arts book from the 1990s, and so let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so you open it up, and the first page, I used some lace paper here, and we can add a pocket or however we want to finish this when we are actually working in the journal. So our opening page matches the cover, okay? And then we have this that either can be opened out and you can add in a flip-flop, or we can make it a pocket. We have this page here. I like to use this page to journal why I do December daily, because that's how I do my December or my Christmas book. And so I put that page in here for you. Okay, here's one of the lace images from my mom's lace, and we have a page here. So if you end up with a few days of November or things that you do before the first day of December, you've got some pages to document that. Okay, so here's our first page of December. It's the only page that I have that already has its date on it. This was a tag that we made in the live video when I talked about the sale, that all of the Christmas kits and digital kits are on sale in the Dear Julie Etsy shop for the rest of July, and so I made this in the video where I talked about that. Thought this was really cool. From the first day of December, children everywhere start counting down the days to Santa's arrival, blah blah blah. It says, I believe. I went ahead and left that because it is the first day of December, and it's talking about the first day of December. So here we have our accordion flip pocket. Okay, and there's a video, one of the videos in the 15 videos in the playlist, that's one of them. We've got some graph paper. Here we have the secret pocket in the collage page from the digital, the Christmas Pages digital kit from Dear Julie. Again, this is part of the one that's on sale through the end of July. Here we have our reinforced flip out page. So I made this, it was too heavy, so we added a flip out page. And there are videos for this, there's videos for this page, and that I used this to reinforce it and how I made the flip out. Okay, we have some more papers. Here we have part of the book and their directions on making Christmas goodies, and so I thought that was kind of cool. We have our potpourri house as the beginning of the second signature. This is Betsy McCall. We call her McCall. She is part of the Cherished Children digital, and here I printed her and a music page at 5x7 and put them in here side by side. We added some lace. There is a video on this, and it is the video about using digitals in the playlist. So we have a 12x12 paper. We flipped it up, made a pocket, and have a great background for that. We have our ledger paper here. Trying to go through real fast because there's not a lot of memory on my phone. This will be fun to document making cookies, and sometimes I'll end up with, this is where the cookie page is. Even though we make the cookies back here, I might add them in here. Here's another one of the digitals from the digital kit, and some more pages in this. And all of these we'll be able to decorate and cover however we want with whatever paper that I choose to use, or you choose to use if you choose to purchase this. This was using diamond wrap. I copied a cross-stitch pattern, sort of, loosely, and then I turned it upside down is what happened here. But there's a video on that. It's the Dollar Tree diamond wrap video. This great Christmas tree here, and this, again, the pocket. This is the other side of the McCall's page, and it has one of the journaling cards from the digital kit. This is from the Cherished Children digital kit. There's the end of Signature 2. Signature 3 has this toy chest with the fairy and the doll, and really, really cool. So this is digitals from the Pages Christmas kit, and I thought this would be a great place to write a list. You've got the scarf page. We have a pocket down here. This was also another video. This was using some packaging. And then we made this pocket here. That was on the pocket video. Then we did use the doilies. And so here's the Santa tag and the doily. And some more great Christmas trees. And we have this. This was from my dad's office. I got some great paper to use from my dad's office. We've got the pear tree, and there's probably a partridge in there somewhere. Looks like there's the partridge. Oh, nope, there's the partridge. Okay. This is pockets. Okay, so there you go. File folder. This actually, if you count this out, this ends up being Christmas Day. Then we have the double flip up, and you still have the recipe for the Irish cream cheesecake. And there's the picture of the cheesecake, but I also thought it would be a great place that you can put pictures, and that would be the mat. This was using a bag, a box, and a tag. And so that was a video that's available in the playlist as well. This is the holly paper from the digital kit. And then this is the rest of the quilt. And my grandmother and I actually made this quilt when I was 5. Okay, so here we have another image of a Christmas tree, and that is the end of the journal. And so that is how much I got done so far. Yay! And then we're going to go on and we'll just quickly go through. These were the book page image, or the book page embellishments. So that was book page embellishment video. This was lists. You always need lists, or I do, in December, or a place to have lists. These were belly band, but they're also pockets that can go somewhere, embellishments that can go somewhere in the journal. You can put them in a pocket. So I called them floating pockets. Let's see, we have the coffee cozies, or the coffee sleeves. Those were one of the embellishment videos. These I made after the live video, but I used the popcorn paper. If you want to know how I made that, then put that in the comments below. We have Santa's belt using the diamond wrap. We wrapped around some of the words from the book. Here we used some diamond wrap and made a tab. So the diamond wrap is from Dollar Tree. Here we used a tag from Dollar Tree. All this right here is from the live video using Dollar Tree items. This is the popcorn bag, and a page from the Christmas Carol book, a word from the Christmas Carol book, a seal, and the diamond wrap there. We have diamond wrap Believe. We have Diamond Wrap Christmas. This one, we have the washi tape, the index card, the coloring book, the glitter glue, and the bling, all from Dollar Tree. We have the tags and these cute ornament stickers. And then on these tags, and these are ready to just be taken off and put into your journal, but it makes a great little, you can even make this as a gift. You could decorate, embellish one of these sticker sheets, and they would have the stickers. So there's that. Then we made these really cute ornaments. Oh, we don't need that. So these are one of the videos, making these little ornament embellishments. And then we also did, using the lace doilies that I had that were my mom's, and the vintage book. We made some embellishments from that. So that is the recap of the playlist, and what you'll find in that. And the playlist is in the description box down below, as well as the playlist of Christmas embellishments. And that's Christmas embellishments from the last few years that I've made. And you can just turn it on and clean your house, or sit back and watch. And yeah, so happy Christmas in July. It flew by really fast. This has been a crazy month. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow when we announce the August Junk Journal Challenge. So if you have an idea for the August Junk Journal Challenge, or a guess of what you think it's going to be, put it in the comments down below. I'll give you a hint. It's going to start with an A. And yeah, so there you go. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in the August Junk Journal Challenge and the August Junk Journal Challenge Facebook group. Again, today's the last day of the July Journal from a Simple Kit Challenge. Boy, did we have some great entries in that. It really was. It was to make a simple journal you put together a little kit and you work from that kit. And the idea was to have something to take with you. Ironically, I ended up at the hospital with my dad for the second half of July, and here we were doing Journal from a Simple Kit. So I put together a little kit, took it with me, and I was able to junk journal while he was sleeping and things like that. So, and several of our the people in that group have had things come up where they were able to put together a little kit and take it with them. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to go watch another video, and that will let YouTube know that you liked what you saw here and you want to see more. Find something to celebrate every day, every day, every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye.